Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ojasvi Singla and I am currently pursuing my MD in homeopathy, and I would like to talk about Bcbr exam today. So like we as medical postgraduates, we know that Bcbr exam certification has been made compulsory for all the medical postgraduates. So we all have to go through it, and we all have to give the exam. While I was preparing for the exam, actually I just recently got my certification in July. So when I was preparing for the exam, I got little to no information regarding it. I had very little sources where I could go to and know about the pattern of exams or the type of questions that come or what I am dealing with basically. So via this video I will try to answer those questions and explain as to best of my knowledge. So what is BCBR? So it is basic course in biomedical research. So basically in this subject we cover topics like data analysis or types of studies, cohort study, case control studies and everything. We go through such topics, and basically it helps us in preparation of our synopsis and dissertation for the research that we are going to do in our masters. So it is a very important course and also very beneficial to us. It also helps us in preparing for one of our exams that we appear for in MD Part 1. So I took this as an opportunity to prepare for my exam as well. So I would like to first of all tell that how to enroll for this exam. So you just have to go on the website of SWAYAM. So on the SWAYAM website you will have to enroll for this course. You will have to enter very basic details and the name of your college and university, and you will be enrolled to this course. Later on, as you will enroll, you will find yourself with some lectures. So in total there are 25 lectures, and with every lecture there are quiz. Means you do one lecture, you watch one lecture, and they are very informative videos. You go through them as and when you get time, as per your convenience. You are allowed to do that. You pause, play whenever, and you watch them. And after the video is done, after the lecture is done, you are supposed to fill the quiz. So there are 10 questions in every quiz, and they are MCQs basically, and every question has 10 points. So in total every assignment or quiz has 100 points. So I have scored from 70 to 100 in all the assignments. So basically lecture number 1 to 23 through 23 lectures and 23 assignments. But after that 24th and 25th they do not have the assignments. So you just have to watch the lectures. You are also provided with lecture handouts with complete slides and everything, and you are also provided with BCBR lectures transcripts. So it is a Google Drive link. So as you click on it, you get whatever the lecture is about, and whatever the professor is saying, you get everything in written. So you can download them before, and while you are preparing notes or whenever you are watching the lecture, you can go through them, or just you can get the printout, highlight the important point, and you can get them. Next thing, when you complete all the lectures and when you complete all the assignments, you will go to your dashboard and you will see the progress 100% done. So when the progress is 100%, means you have completed all the lectures, all the assignments, and mine you have to complete each assignment with the basic score of 50%. If you have not scored 50%, then you are not qualified. So you have to score a minimum of 50. So means you have to get 5 questions right in every assignment. And I think a negative point about everything is that we do not get the answer key anywhere. So when you do the assignment, you solve it, you get a score and for example you got 90 out of 100, so you will never know which of the question was or which of the question was wrong. So there is no way of knowing that unless you get the answer from somewhere else. They do not provide with the answers, so that is, I guess, negative point when you're preparing for the exam, because you would like to work on the weak points and correct your mistakes and then go for the exam. Anyway, so now you have completed your lectures and you have completed the quiz and everything, and you have scored a minimum of 50%. So now you are done with the study part, the lectures part. So now other thing you have to do is, when you are doing everything, you look out for announcement page. There is an announcement page, I will add a screenshot here. So you have to look out for the announcement page, and where all the dates, exams, everything is listed there. Any new notification about the exam, admit card, everything is gonna be there. So you just keep an eye on that, and whenever it is suitable for you, like I gave my exam on 7 July, that was a suitable date for me. So you can fill the form whenever the examination form comes. You can fill the form and you can pay the fees. So fees is 100 rupees for each exam. So there is only one exam, so 1000 rupees fees. So sorry, 1000 rupees. So after you pay 1000 rupees and you select the centers and everything, and you can only do this process if you have scored a minimum of 50% in each assignment. So after you have scored 50% in assignment, then you enroll and for the exam, and then you wait. You mostly get the examination admit card, hall ticket 2 days before. I got mine on 4th or 5th July and my exam was on 7th. So yeah, and also one more thing, for the updates or any query, you can join. They have a Google forum. So there is a link. I will try to add that link in the description. So you go to that link, or you can find that link below the announcement page. So below the announcement page or below the dashboard, you will find that link and you can subscribe to that forum, and you will get all the mails to your mail, Gmail. So you can do that and you can ask your query. So like you have a question in some lecture, so you can just mail that and you will get a reply. I got my replies within 1 or 2 days, and my questions were usually regarding exams and the hall ticket, but I think they give reply in 1 or 2 days. So yeah, you can join that forum. It will be very beneficial if you do not want to miss out on anything. So now you are done with the lectures, you are done with the quizzes, you are done with the examination form. Now on to the preparation of examination. So now to prepare for the examination, what all is important? So the basics of research, very important. Types of data, types of study. Most of the questions in my exams were from the data, like nominal data, ordinal data, all these kind of. And other questions mostly were from the types of study, like cohort study, case control study, descriptive study, analytic study. These are the very basic questions, and these are very, very important. If you miss out on them, you are going to lose on to so many questions in the examination. So please make sure that you get your basics very strong and move on with them. And second thing, go through their lectures once or twice, go through the transcripts, go through the lecture handouts. They are very, very informative, and they are more than enough. My examination was not from anywhere outside of those lecture handouts. So please download them, read them. If you want to print them and then read them, whatever you are comfortable with. So you do that. And basics, there was some numericals in my examination. So basic numericals like mortality rate or the odds ratio, relative risk, these kind of simple numericals. please but make sure that you are very clear with them. Like odds ratio and relative risk, very very important. So and also one numerical came from sample size in my examination, so look out for that as well, but there was only one question from sample size. And other than that, I think these are very important. Now to talk about the pattern of examination, you're gonna deal with a question online examination, and there will be total 100 MCQs, each MCQ of 1 mark, and you will get around 180 minutes to complete your paper. And in 90 minutes you can submit. If you have finished the exam, you can submit. And 90 minutes are usually enough because more of the paper is of theory. So I got my paper done in 90 minutes. So you can easily submit and leave the examination hall, but you are not allowed to leave it before 90 minutes. So yeah, 100 MCQs in 180 minutes, and no negative marking. So that is a very plus point. So you can attempt all the questions without the fear of negative marking. There is no negative marking, so you attempt the whole paper, all the 100 questions, MCQs, and they come in 3 sections. First 2 sections of 25 questions each, and the last section is of 50 questions. So there is no any rule as per the sections. You can attempt any. Actually you have to attempt all the questions, but it's not like you have to do these many questions from this section or these many questions. It's not like that. It is just you just consider it as a 100 MCQs question paper. So I guess I have covered all my points, and I got my certification and result pretty quickly. I guess I on 7th July I gave my exam, and last week I got my certification. So yeah, it comes within 15 days or so, and you just need to keep checking your Gmail. Everything comes on that, or mail. So yeah, I think I covered all the questions that I had, or I think some of you have. If you have any other question, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. And that's all for today. Thank you.